Yo, what is up, Dominators? It's your boy Dominic Norway and welcome back to the channel. I got a really requested video today. I told you guys I would do a video about it in like January, yeah. Anyways, today I will be talking about Studienkolleg. Let's start this video off by explaining what Studienkolleg is. Well, if you recently graduated from a high school and let's say you want to study at a German university such as TUM, but your high school education certificate... Okay, pause. I don't know why I said high school education certificate. What I meant to say was higher education certificate is not recognized by the higher educational institutions in Germany. What are you gonna do? By the way, there's a website in which you can check how your high school education certificate is evaluated in Germany. I'll leave a link for that in the description. Okay, I checked the website for you guys and I realized that it is in German. And I know that not all of you are fluent in German, so I'm gonna help you out. So you click the link in the description, this site will pop up. If you want to find out how your foreign higher education certificate is rated in Germany, you're gonna want to click the first option. After that, as you can see, you get some instructions and it basically tells you to click on this Annabin logo. After that, you choose Hochschulabschlüsse and then you click Suchen, which means search. And here, all you have to do is choose your country and the bachelor's. For the country, let's choose Turkey, and for the bachelor's, let's go for computer science. And then once you go down, you see this summary and it basically says that this degree corresponds to a German university degree at bachelor's level. And admission to German master's courses is then generally possible. Anyways, let's move on. If you want to find out whether your foreign university is recognized in Germany, click the second option. If you want to apply for a job in Germany and if you want to see if your university degree is accepted in Germany, click option 3. And option 4 is basically for legal regulations. Look, keep in mind that you have Google Translate and stuff like that to help you out, so read everything carefully and do your research. Anyways, on with the video. Anyways, you have two options. Option 1. You can apply to a university in your hometown and study there for at least 1 year. After that, you can apply to a German university if you meet the required amount of language knowledge. Or you can go with option 2, which happens to be attending the Studienkolleg in Germany. Think of Studienkolleg as a preparation year before your actual college life begins. From what I heard, it usually lasts about 1 year, which consists of 2 semesters. Now, there are 4 courses and you decide which one you want to take depending on what you want to study. There is the T course, which consists of German, Maths, Chemistry, Physics, and Computer Science. Then there is the M course, which consists of German, Maths, Chemistry, Physics, and Biology. Then there is the W course, which consists of German, Mathematics, Business, Economy, and Sociology. Then there is the G course, which consists of German, History, German Literature, Sociology, and Statistics. As you can see, German is mandatory on every course. The main reason for Studienkolleg is preparing you for Germany and the German language. It's kind of like a language course, but obviously harder. And I gotta be honest, if you are an international student who hasn't spoken German ever and doesn't have any friends in Germany, I think this is better than option 1. First of all, the main thing is you learn German, but that's not it. In this 1 year, you also get familiar with the German culture and you get the opportunity to make friendships with new people. People who are going through the same thing you are. Now, how do you apply? Well, since I haven't done it myself, I can only tell you guys what I found out searching the internet. Don't worry, I will leave a link for the application process down in the description. Step 1 would be to find out which documents your Studienkolleg requires. This could be a CV or a language exam or your certificate and stuff like that. I heard that in order to do the Studienkolleg, you need a B1 level German knowledge. You need to check the website of the Studienkolleg you want to study at for the specific documents. Because every Studienkolleg requires different documents. Unfortunately, I cannot cover them all because there are so many of them in different cities like Munich, Berlin, Karlsruhe, Hamburg, etc. But what I can do is that I can leave a link to the complete list of Studienkollegs. Thank me later. So this is what the website looks like. You have the entire list of Studienkollegs right here. But be careful while you're searching for a Studienkolleg because as you can see, not all of them have all the courses that I mentioned before. Like for example, the one in Munich has the M, T, W, and G courses, but the one in Karlsruhe, for example, only has a T course. And once you pick your Studienkolleg, you basically visit the website of your Studienkolleg and look at what you need. If you have any questions, questions, you can always contact the Studienkolleg you want to study at. From what I heard, they really try to help you out. As you can see, some of the email addresses are on this website I showed you, but for some of them you have to go to their own websites. Anyways, moving on with step 2. Step 2 is to check if you need a Uni Assist document to apply for Studienkolleg. Some Studienkollegs require it and some don't. If that's the case, I will leave a link for it as well. Step 3. Obviously, if you want to study in Germany, you need a visa. I mean, you should know how to get a visa, or your parents should know it, because I don't. I never needed a visa, sorry. Step 4 is the most important part. Unfortunately, there is an entrance exam. In some Studienkollegs, they ask you German and math questions. However, in some, they only ask you German questions. Again, you need to check the specific website of your school. There are also several mock exams, so they can also help you study for it. If you pass the exam, well done, you will now be accepted to the Studienkolleg. One important question is, how much does Studienkolleg cost? The price per semester varies between 100 and 400 euros. Then there are books, plus other studying materials, plus rent, plus food. And if you want to study in Munich, keep this in mind because Munich can get really expensive. Especially rent is really expensive. I don't know if the Studienkollegs have dormitories next to them, but a normal dormitory that my friends stay at usually costs between 600 and 800 euros. And for food, you will probably need like 80 to 100 euros per week. What else? Oh, like I said, it usually lasts 1 year, and if you are really good, you can shorten it to 1 semester. But you also do have a chance of failure. You can only fail 1 semester and that's it. So my advice to you is to study hard. At the end of your Studienkolleg, you are going to have to take one final exam. Why are there so many exams? You get the entrance exam, then there are the finals throughout the semesters, and the final exam. Me. I feel sorry for you, good luck. Anyways, if you pass the final exam, you will be eligible to study at a German university. Yay! Whew, okay, I'm about to go deep now. If I were to give you an advice, I would say study hard, but don't forget to have fun. This is your first time in Germany. You are never going to get to relive it. Go to parties, go sightseeing, have some adventures, make a lot of new friends. Because friendships are going to help you get through the hard times. Most people don't get the chance to study abroad, so be aware of the opportunity that you have and never forget your goals and never forget why you came here to study. Anyways guys, I hope that was helpful. If I said something wrong or if you have any additional information, make sure to drop it in the comment section below and help each other out. Thank you guys so much for watching and good luck to you if you are thinking about applying to Studienkolleg. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya!